Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Monday, our Science Day, and I am going to tell you about why do we have different seasons on Earth. Have you ever noticed how the weather changes every few months? Sometimes it's hot and sunny, then suddenly the leaves fall or it starts snowing. But have you ever asked yourself why this happens? Why do we have summer, winter, spring, and autumn? Why can it be freezing in Canada while at the same time it's boiling hot in Australia? Today we are going to explore the amazing science behind why Earth has seasons. Get ready to discover something truly fascinating. Earth is not straight. Let's start with one surprising fact. Earth isn't standing straight. Instead, it's tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees. Now imagine Earth is a spinning top. As it spins, it's slightly leaning to one side. This leaning or axial tilt stays the same as the Earth moves around the Sun. This tilt is number one reason we have seasons. If Earth were standing straight up, every place on Earth would get equal sunlight every day. No seasons at all. So remember this, no tilt, no seasons. Earth's journey around the Sun. Earth doesn't just spin, it also orbits around the Sun. One full journey takes about 365.25 days or 1 year. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Because of Earth's tilt, different parts of the planet lean toward or away from the Sun as it orbits. Let's break it down. In June, the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the Sun. More direct sunlight in summer in the north. At the same time, the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun. Less sunlight winter in the south. Then in December, the opposite happens. Southern hemisphere enjoys summer. Northern hemisphere experiences winter. So, Earth's tilt and orbit create a natural pattern of changing sunlight, and that means changing seasons. Daylight hours. Have you noticed how some days are long and bright and others are short and dark? That's because of Earth's tilt too. In summer, the sun takes a longer path in the sky, so we get longer days and shorter nights. In winter, the sun stays low and the days become shorter with longer nights. This affects everything from how warm the days feel, so how plants grow, and even our mood and energy. That's why in some places like Norway or Alaska, there can be almost 24 hours of sunlight in summer and nearly 24 hours of darkness in winter. Incredible, right? What happens in each season? Let's quickly go through what makes each season special. Spring, days get longer, flowers bloom, animals wake up from hibernation. Summer, long hot days, plants grow fast. It's time for beach trips and sunshine. Autumn, leaves change color and fall. Temperatures cool down. Winter, shortest days, coldest temperatures, snow in many places. Each season affects how people live, dress, travel, and even what foods are grown. Farmers plant certain crops in spring and harvest them in autumn, all because of the seasons. What if there were no season? Let's imagine something strange. What if Earth had no tilt? That means no summer vacations, no winter snow, no spring flowers, just the same weather every day. Would that be better or boring? Without seasons, the natural balance of life, forming, and climate would change completely. Some areas might become deserts, others might flood. So, Earth's perfect tilt isn't just interesting, it's essential for life. A global example. Let's look at a real world example. In Pakistan or India, summer starts around April to June with temperatures over 40 degrees centigrade. In Australia, during that same time, it's actually autumn with cooler temperature. So, when it's Christmas in the USA, people enjoy snow. But in Brazil or South Africa, they go to the beach. That's the magic of seasons and Earth's position in space. So now you know we have different seasons because Earth is tilted at 23.5 degrees. Earth orbits the Sun once every year. Different parts of Earth receive different sunlight through the year. The next time you see leaves falling, snowflakes drifting, or flowers blooming, remember you are watching a cosmic dance between Earth and the Sun. Isn't science amazing? Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Bright Vibe for more fun science every Monday. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.